Hey everyone, in last cell we have discussed about prokaryotic cell, but now we are going to talk about other type of cell, and this is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell means when cell has a defined nucleus with nuclear membrane. हमने प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स में पढ़ा था कि उनका जो न्यूक्लियस होता है वो डिफाइंड नहीं होता, दैट मीन्स उनके पास न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन नहीं होती, उनका जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल होता है वो सेल में यूं ही पड़ा रहता है बिना किसी स्ट्रक्चर के. बट इन यूकैरियोटिक सेल you will have a defined structure and that is known as nucleus. Due to this, eukaryotic cells are very different from prokaryotic cells. Here some features of eukaryotic cells has given to you. Let me explain it to you. Eukaryotic cell possesses an organized nucleus with a nuclear envelope. What does it envelope means? एनवलप का मतलब होता है जब आपकी एक ही चीज़ के पास अलग अलग प्रॉपर्टीज़ हों. सो द न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस कंटेन्स न्यूक्लियर पोर्स विच आर वेरी यूजफुल इन इट्स फंक्शनिंग. नेक्स्ट इज eukaryotic cell also contains cytoskeleton and complex locomotory structures. What does they mean? When our body moves, it needs energy and some filaments which can help it to move as we want. These structures are known as cytoskeleton and locomotory complexes. Now there is a defined compartment between cytoplasm and nucleus. Listen, in prokaryotic cells, cytoplasm contains genetic material, so there is no problem in their working. But when we talk about eukaryotic cell, it is not easy to perform all functions with the help of cytoplasm only. So nucleus and cytoplasm are differentiated with the help of a compartment, and that is really very defined. All eukaryotic cells are not identical. Yes, this is a fact about the eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells maybe have a same structure, but when we talk about eukaryotic cells, there is very difference in their shapes. For example, plants and animals. Animal cell. Okay. Now there is a very important difference between plant cell and animal cell on the basis of organelles. You all should know about it. Cell wall, plastid, and large central vacuole. This cell wall, you all know what is this, right? This one. This is cell wall and plastid and large central vacuole absent in animal cells. The work of cell wall is to protect plants from unwanted weather like humidity, temperature, and rain when it's without any reason. Okay, and plastid is a organelle of plants which help them in processing of their working. Large central vacuole, it contains large amount of water in it and it is very useful for the maintaining shapes of plant cells. That's why these all are absent in animal cell. Now all membrane about organisms, all membrane bound organelles are present in eukaryotic cell. Why all organelle that are bound present in eukaryotic cell? Because they have to perform many functions and their functions are very complex in nature, so that's why all membrane bound organelles are present in eukaryotic cell. The structure is complex in compare with prokaryotic cell. When we compare in eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, then we see कि दोनों का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो बहुत ही एक दूसरे से अलग है. दोनों के फंक्शंस भी अलग होते हैं, इसलिए उनका स्ट्रक्चर भी अलग है. Because eukaryotic cell has a complex nature, so it is very different from the prokaryotic cell. Now, eukaryotic cell can exist in adverse conditions. As you all know that eukaryotic cell has a well-defined nucleus and all membrane-bound organelles and other many such advantages and structure present in eukaryotic cell which help it in withstanding in adverse conditions. Now here we have a centriole. What does it centriole means? Centriole is an organelle which helps during the division of the cells. It is absent in plant cells. You know why? Because plant cells are differentiate or divide themselves with the help of plasmodesmata. So centrioles is the organelle which is absent in plant. You should know about it, and just please note it down. Here now you have all information related to eukaryotic cell. So just please note it down, and maybe it is useful for you. Thank you.